Hello friends, welcome to Sumi Kaya Kalpam. Hope all are well. Today I am going to share with you a very informative and important technique which will prevent you from this deadly virus. As for the Dinanath Mangeshkar Hospital, Pune, where 600 doctors are involved since last 3 months to treat the COVID patients. They are practicing this Jalaneti since last 3 months and not a single doctor is affected by the virus. However, 18 doctors, those who are not practicing this technique, they are affected by the virus. So friends, it's only a 5-minute procedure recommended by the doctors of Dinanath Mangeshkar Hospital. Also, the Edinburgh University started clinical trial on this salt solution nasal irrigation technique. They have found it used for various other virus in past 2015. So get ready to learn about this technique of Jalaneti. So let's practice the Jalaneti. For that we need a special kind of neti lota, preferably it should be in a plastic form. Then prepare the water. It should be the body temperature and thoroughly mix the salt along with the warm water. The ratio should be 1 teaspoon of salt along with half liter of warm water. The osmotic pressure of the water is equal to that of the body fluid. Remember, if the ratio is not perfect, there may be chances of irritation. Fill the pot with prepared salt water. Leg apart, lean forward. Relax the whole body. Tilt the head to one side and slightly back. And start breathing through your mouth. Then gently insert the nozzle into the uppermost nostril. Without any force, press the nozzle firmly against the side of the nostril. Adjust the neti pot in such a way that the water runs through the nostril and not down the face. Adjust the body position. Let the water run out of the nose. Practice the same in opposite nostril. It removes any mucus from the nose by blowing it gently. Then the next step is very much important, that is drying the nostril. Stand erect, close the right nostril by help of the thumb. Breathe in and out through the left nostril for 5 to 10 times in a quick succession way. Emphasize the exhalation as in Kapalabhati Pranayam. Repeat the same with other nostril and make sure that there is no water in any nostril. Then perform Yoga Mudra Asana 3 to 4 times. After that, do not forget to go for Kapalabhati 5 to 10 round. For learning about Yoga Mudra Asana and Pranayama, kindly go through the videos that is available in my channel. And this Satkarma, this Jalaneti helps to remove the mucus pollution from the nasal passages and sinus. Also helps the air to flow without any obstruction. And the most important point is that, as we know that the respiratory virus and it enters to inside our body through the nasal passages. So by the regular practice of Jalaneti, it prevents the virus to enter inside our body. So it's a request to all, kindly learn this Neti practice, learn these Satkarmas and do practice regularly twice if possible, or else at least once in a day is necessary to go through this practice to prevent yourself from this deadly virus. So friends, let me clear about one more thing, that this technique an attempt to prevent yourself from virus, but this virus can affect you through eyes and mouth. So please maintain hygiene and social distancing. It is very much important. And for more such videos, please visit my YouTube channel. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.